Afternoon guys, it's Sarah from Hills. I'm here today over on Schofield Road in the fabulous Peel Green area with this fantastic 3-bedroom semi-detached property. As you can see, you've got ample off-road parking to the front, as well as the garage to the rear. So it doubles up as fantastic storage, along with a fitted gym and all the equipment in there. And we've just come straight through the entrance hall into this fabulous family-sized lounge. Additional space tucked away beneath the stairs there, but as you can see, loads of room in here. And this then leads us on to this lovely fitted kitchen. Plenty of storage, loads of space to prep your food. You've got your 5-ring gas hob, wall and base units, fabulous American style fridge freezer, and then in addition to this lovely big kitchen, you have the downstairs guest WC alongside the utility room here. Taking you out onto the rear garden now. You've got the raised decked seating area just as we come out of the property. Gated access back to the front, and obviously that's your main entrance into the garage. However, you do have the second entrance just to the side there. The shed just tucked away at the back will also be staying, and then this fantastic garden. So you will easily appreciate the potential here for further development. As you can see, the neighbouring property has done so, but there's loads of scope to do so, and it won't eat into your garden massively. And you do also benefit from the sun from the morning to around 8-9 p.m. at night. And then as we head up to the first floor, you have 3 double-sized bedrooms, complemented by the 3-piece family bathroom suite. It's directly at the top of the stairs. Fantastic built-in storage once again, so everything is perfectly hidden out of the way. All your towels and all of your smellies, and then the shower just sat above the tub here. Now into the second double, which overlooks the rear of the property. Beautifully kept. And then heading into the master, these fitted wardrobes just installed a year ago. Lovely and bright. Really nice, timeless design. And then lastly into your third double with additional storage just tucked away behind us here also. Plenty of space for your further furnishings. Now location wise, as I mentioned, we are over on Schofield Road in Peel Green, which is well located in regards to local schools, shops and fantastic transport links. So if you're interested in coming along and taking a viewing, please give the office a call on 0161 707 4900.